All right, let's catch up on CES.
Architecture. The
Looks
GPU
very similar
is
to the
just a
4000
beast.
series.
4090 performance at 549.
I'll believe it when I see it. I don't know. Is it gonna cost that much?
5090, twice the performance of a 4090.
Is it really gonna like sell for that at retail? I'll be happy if so. I might get one.
The next layer is what we call NVIDIA NeMo. NeMo is AI, agentic AI. That AI, if we could figure out a way to make Windows PC a world-class AI PC, it would be completely awesome. And it turns out the answer is Windows.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's Windows WSL2, Windows most.
Oh,
A world
Windows. Of course they're
foundation
buddying up
model
with
that is
Windows.
designed.
The next frontier of AI, physics-based, geospatially accurate scenarios. AI models select the physical AI.
AI goes to practically
How much
refine
AI are we
to do with
training
synthetic
tonight?
data generation.
AI data factory.
The ChatGPT moment. This is NVIDIA's latest AI.
The 5070, if that card releases at that price, man, that's gonna be hard to resist. The AI stuff I expected. NVIDIA's been focusing on AI like hardcore, so I wasn't surprised there. That was some pretty cool stuff, I guess. I wonder how much they'll cost. That'll be interesting to see. But excited for cheap GPUs again. That'll be good. Alright, so that was NVIDIA. Now what did AMD do? I'm curious, because you know, NVIDIA was all about being buddy-buddy with Windows. If AMD says something about Linux,
we are delivering the next frontier in content creation.
interesting. So it's going to be like a video encoding, workhorse. Played that game for like 3 hours and got bored. Never played it again. Alright, so it seems like AMD was pretty straightforward on what they want to do. The new Lenovo handheld.
Instead of doing a 2K display, we're looking at a much more reasonable 1920 by 1200 resolution. So on this, the Legion Go S, we're looking at a 8-inch display instead of an 8.8-inch OLED display.
Okay, it's a little bit smaller.
The refresh rate has dropped down slightly from 144 hertz to 120 hertz. The
That's not that
upside of
bad.
that is that you now get support for VRR, which does help make graphics and stuff just look a little bit smoother.
Battery life must be better. If they're toning it down this much with the same chip, they've got to have a better battery life, I'm hoping.
Legion button, which summons the Legion Space app, which has
that
been
was
updated to be
Windows.
a little bit more full
That was
featured, run a
Windows.
lot smoother, which is actually
What have I been seeing about Linux running on this? SteamOS running on this?
The smaller size obviously accommodates the smaller design.
It is pretty
and
small.
it actually works more like a trackball than a traditional touchpad.
Yeah, I don't mind that though.
But
Little trackball,
still
little,
very functional.
little BlackBerry trackball.
Right. And finally, while this isn't bundled with the system, Lenovo does have an updated version of its glasses.
Oh,
In this
I
case,
remember
the
those.
Legion glasses too.
The Legion
and just
glasses.
a little bit sleeker. You can kind
I
of
wanna
use it
try
and you're
those.
not
I
kind of
don't-
distracted by the background.
I'll give those a
objects and
try
stuff
one
like that.
day.
And
Maybe
importantly,
there's a sample of them
the
somewhere I can
cable
use.
is detached.
One last important thing to note. Now you might notice that my hair is different and that my clothes are different, and that's because after we filmed our original hands-on, Lenovo told us that there's going to be a second version of the Legion Go S that comes with SteamOS pre-installed.
Let's go.
The main difference being that the Windows
Common
11 version is
Linux
going to be
W.
available in white, and the SteamOS version is going to be available in black.
That's a
$30.
cool idea.
After that, sometime in May, that's when the SteamOS version and the general 16 gig RAM version is going to be available, starting for $600.
So nobody else mentioned Linux? Of course Lenovo comes through. I knew there was something about them. I love my Legion Go, but this one, I gotta get one. That looks like what the Legion Go should have released as, but that's not a knock on the original Legion Go. Like, I like the idea with the detachable controllers and stuff. Like, it was a cool idea, and they executed it pretty well. But like, this seems like they learned a lot from the Legion Go, the original one. I didn't hear about battery life though. I gotta check on the battery life. I just assumed though, with lowering the refresh rate and lowering the resolution of the screen, inherently it's just gonna get better battery life. But that's just me assuming, right? Yeah, I'm excited for that. That's gonna be a nice handheld. All right, now it's time to go find one.